हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल त्रिशा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ बायोलॉजी। मैं आपका बायोलॉजी नीट गुरु डॉक्टर आशीष पंचाल। आज एक नए टॉपिक के साथ हम बात करेंगे। बात करने से पहले आप लोगों को एक बात याद करवा देता हूं कि आपने अगर अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ आप लोग हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। वहाँ पर आपको सारे नीट रिलेटेड और फार्मेसी रिलेटेड वीडियो मिलेंगे। ओके, और एक और बात बेटा, आप सब लोगों को अगर पहले ही आप लोग वीडियो देखना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ प्रेस द बेल आइकॉन, जिससे आपको सारे नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहे। तो आइए आज हम बात करते हैं जॉइंट्स पे। तो जॉइंट्स, वी ऑल नो दैट देयर आर मेनली थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ द जॉइंट्स। सो हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ जॉइंट्स? सो देयर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ joints. Now which are there? So the types of joints are three. First one is the cartilaginous joint, or it is, there are three types of the joints. The first one is the fibrous joint. Second one is the cartilaginous joint. And third one is the synovial joints. Mainly there are three types of the joints: fibrous joint, cartilaginous joint, and the synovial joints. Now let's discuss the first, fibrous joints. So in the fibrous joint, actually it is also known as the immovable joints. It is also known as immovable joints. Why? Because this fibrous joint, they are immobile. They never shows the any kind of the movement. That's why they are known as the immovable joints. And this fibrous joint is made up of the collagen fiber. It is made up of collagen fiber. Mainly there are three types of the fibrous joint. Okay, there are three types. Which one? First one is the suture. Suture, actually it is present between the skull bone. Suture present between the skull bone. It is present between the skull bone. So first one is the suture type of the fibrous joint, and this suture type of the fibrous joint, it is present between the skull bone. There are mainly three types of the suture. First is the coronal suture. Second one is the lambdoid suture, and third one is the sagittal suture. So where these sutures are present? So the first one is coronal suture. It is present between the frontal and parietal bone. So between frontal and parietal bone, present between the frontal and the parietal bone. Lambdoid suture, that is present between the parietal and occipital. So it is between parietal and occipital bone. And the sagittal suture, it is present between the two parietal bone, between two parietal bone. So the fibrous type of the joints, it is present in the suture type, and this suture type of the joints, it is present in the skull bone. There are again three types. coronal sutures, lambdoid sutures and sagittal sutures. The coronal sutures, it is present between the frontal and the parietal bone. It is present between the frontal and the parietal bone. Lambdoid sutures present between the parietal and the occipital bone, and the sagittal sutures, it is present between the two parietal bone. Now the second type is syndesmosis. Okay, syndesmosis. The next is the syndesmosis, and this syndesmosis type of the joints present, it is the fibrous interosseous bone. Okay, so it is the fibrous interosseous ligament. It is made up of the fibrous interosseous ligament. Actually where these are present, so it is present between the radioulna. क्या अब देखो रेडियोअल्ना इट इज इमूवेबल, वो कभी मूव नहीं होगा. देन टिबिया एंड फिब्यूला, तो इट इज द प्रेजेंट between radioulna and tibia and fibula. So the syndesmosis, actually this syndesmosis, it's a fibrous interosseous ligament. It is made up of the fibrous interosseous ligament which is present between the radioulna and tibia fibula. And the third one is gomphosis. Okay, it is the joints between the dento-alveolar joint. It's known as dento-alveolar joints. Where it is present? It is present between the teeth and the jaw. Between teeth and jaw. So it is present between the teeth and the jaw. It is also immovable type of the joints. So mainly there are three types of the joint. First one is the fibrous joint, second one is the cartilaginous joint, and third one is the synovial joint. So first, in the fibrous joint, actually it is immovable joint and it is made up of the collagen fiber. It is made up of the collagen fiber and it is possesses the white fibrous tissue. It possesses the white fibrous tissue. White fibrous tissue. Clear? Now there are mainly three types of the fibrous joint: suture type, syndesmosis and the gomphosis. In the suture, it is present between the skull bone. There are three types of the sutures: coronal sutures, lambdoid sutures and the sagittal sutures. Coronal suture between the frontal and the parietal, lambdoid between the parietal and occipital, and sagittal between the two parietal bone. Syndesmosis, it is the fibrous interosseous ligament present between the radioulna and tibia fibula. And last is the gomphosis. It is the joint, dento-alveolar joint. Dento means dental, alveolar means cavity, jaw cavity. Okay, so joints between the teeth and the jaw, it is known as the dento-alveolar joint. It is also the immovable joints. Now, the next one is, the second joint is cartilaginous joint. And the cartilaginous joint is also known as the slightly movable joint. Also known as slightly movable joints. And this cartilaginous joint, it is made up of the white fibrous cartilage. It is made up of white fibrous cartilage. So the second type is the cartilaginous joint, and it shows the slightly movable joints. And where it is present between the intervertebrate disc, then pubic symphysis, and between the manubrium and the body of the sternum. And it is made up of the white fibrous cartilage. So location. So this type of the joints is present in the intervertebral disc. Intervertebral disc. Intervertebral disc मतलब बेटा suppose this is the vertebrate, and in the vertebrate these all are the vertebrae, and these all vertebrate उसके बीच में बेटा हम गादी बोलते हैं सिंपल. So that is known as the cartilaginous joint, and it shows the slightly movement. Okay, so this is the intervertebral disc, okay, between the vertebrae. Between vertebrae. Okay, second, this joint is present between the manubrium and body of the sternum. So present between manubrium and body of sternum. Like यहाँ पर बेटा suppose this is the sternum, and this portion it is called the manubrium, and this part of the sternum is called the body. ऐसे होता है बेटा sternum. Okay, so manubrium and body, it is made up of the cartilaginous joint. That's why it shows the slightly movement. आप प्रेस करोगे बेटा तो वो slight movement करेगा. Okay, so it is present between the manubrium and the body of the sternum. And third, it present in a pubic symphysis. Pubic symphysis. So in pubic symphysis, where it is present? It is present between the two coxal bone. Present between two coxal bone. It is present between the two coxal bone means where it is present. So it is present like जो दो गर्डल बोलते हैं ना बेटा, दैट इज पेल्विक गर्डल, उसको ज्वाइंट करता है प्यूबिक सिम्फाइसिस, और चाइल्ड बर्थ में बेटा ये हेल्प करता है. इट हेल्प इन दी चाइल्ड बर्थ. सो प्रेजेंट बिटवीन दी टू कॉक्सल बोन एंड हेल्प इन चाइल्ड बर्थ. क्योंकि बेटा चाइल्ड बर्थ के दौरान टाइम पे फीमेल में ये जो हिप बोन होता है बेटा थोड़ा एनलार्ज होता है. That is with the help of this slightly movable joint, that is cartilaginous joints. Clear? Now, okay beta, so this is all about the types of joint, that is fibrous joint and the cartilaginous joints. Now the third type of the joint is the synovial joints. Now let's discuss the synovial joints. So in the synovial joints, it is the also known as the freely movable joint, also known as freely movable joints. In synovial joints, look at here in the diagram of the synovial joints. So the diagram of the synovial joint, it possesses the two bones like this. Okay, and both the bone articulated surface. Articular surface means joining surface possess the hyaline cartilage. This articulated surface possess the hyaline cartilage. Articulated surface possess the hyaline cartilage. So this is the articular surface, and this articular surface possess the hyaline cartilage. Okay, now this both the bone are joined with the help of ligament. Okay, this is known as the ligament. Okay, and here it possesses the synovial membrane. This is known as the synovial membrane. So this part is known as the synovial membrane. Actually, inside this synovial membrane, there is a space, and this space is known as the synovial cavity. Okay, and inside the synovial cavity, it possesses the fluid, and that is known as the synovial fluid. It's known as the synovial fluid. So this is the synovial cavity. And inside this synovial cavity, it is known as the synovial fluid. Actually, this synovial fluid, it possesses the glycosaminoglycan. It possesses the chemical, it is known as the glycosaminoglycan. Possesses the glycosaminoglycan, and this glycosaminoglycan is made up of the high hyaluronic acid plus chondroitin sulfate. It possesses the high hyaluronic acid and the chondroitin sulfate. This glycosaminoglycan, it help in the lubrication between the two joints. It help in, actually this will help in lubrication. So beta, we all know that each and every joints, synovial joints possess the synovial fluid, and this synovial fluid is help in the lubrication between the two joints. When the two joints are move, सपोज हम ये उंगली बेटा मूव कर रहे हैं, जब हम उंगली मूव कर रहे हैं बेटा, सो दैट यहाँ पर बेटा फ्रिक्शन होता है, और वो फ्रिक्शन, ये साइनोवियल फ्लूइड जो होता है वो फ्रिक्शन को क्या कर देता है बेटा, रिड्यूस कर देता है. तो ये जो फ्लूइड है, दैट फ्लूइड इट हेल्प इन द रिड्यूस द फ्रिक्शन, ओके, ड्यूरिंग द मूवमेंट ऑफ द जॉइंट्स, ओके, एंड इट हेल्प इन द lubrication. Okay, so this is the diagram. This is the long bone. Okay, this is also the long bone. Okay, so this is the diagram of the synovial joints. Diagram of the synovial joints, and it is the freely movable joints. It's a freely movable joints. Now, where the synovial joints are present? So look at here, where the synovial joints are present. So synovial joints present, example one, it is the hinge joint. Hinge joints. So hinge joint, actually beta hinge joint, that is only a one direction में बेटा movement होता है, that is between the humerus and radioulna. Also it is known as the elbow joints. It is present in the elbow joints as well as between the phalanges. ये उंगलियों के बीच में बेटा देखो वो भी एक ही टाइप से मूव हो रहा है, so that is known as the hinge joint. तो between phalanges, so between the joints, elbow joints and the phalanges में बेटा क्या होता है, hinge joint. The second one is the ball and socket type of joint. Ball and socket joint. So beta actually ball and socket joint it move in a 360 direction. 360 direction में बेटा वो move होता है. Okay, and it is present at the head of the humerus and the pectoral girdle and the femur head and the pelvic girdle. So it is between the head of humerus and pectoral girdle and head of femur and pelvic girdle beta. So the ball and socket type of the joint is found between the head of the humerus and pectoral girdle, head of the femur and the pelvic girdle. Then third one is the pivotal joints. Pivotal joints. Actually this pivotal joint is present between the first and second vertebrate, atlas and axis. Between first and second vertebrae. First vertebrate is known as the atlas. And second vertebrate is known as the axis. So atlas और axis के बीच में जो joint होता है that is known as the pivotal joint. और बेटा pivotal joint कैसे होता है? So pivotal joint is like this कि ये जो पेन है ना बेटा, ओके ये अंदर चली जाए फिर ऐसे जो मूवमेंट होता है बेटा, दिस इज द पाइवोटल जॉइंट. यानी बेटा हम जो हमारी गर्दन ऐसे घुमाते हैं ना, दैट इज नोन एज द पाइवोटल जॉइंट बेटा. ओके, देन फोर्थ इज द ग्लाइडिंग जॉइंट. ग्लाइडिंग joints. So beta gliding joints actually it is present between the carpals, tarsals and between the vertebrate. अब vertebrate में बेटा आप देखो ऐसे ऐसे जो हिलते हो ना, ऐसे ऐसे जो हिलते हैं that is known as the gliding joint. ये जो movement है बेटा, ये जो movement है, okay, movement between the tarsus, it is also the gliding joint. Okay, so present between tarsus, carpals and vertebrae. तो बेटा ये टार्सस के बीच में जो एंकल में होता है, कार्पेल्स के बीच में और वर्टेब्रेट के बीच में होता है, दैट इज ग्लाइडिंग जॉइंट. देन द फिफ्थ इज सैडल जॉइंट्स. So where the saddle joint is present? तो बेटा saddle joint is present between the metacarpals and the phalanges of the thumb. So it is between metacarpals and phalanges of thumb. क्या बेटा तो कहां पर होता है वो? मेटाकार्पल्स एंड द phalanges of the thumb passes the saddle joint and the F, that is the condyloid joints. And this condyloid joints actually it is present between the radio ulna and the first row of the carpal. जो कार्पेल का बेटा फर्स्ट रो है ना वो एंड रेडियो एंड अल्ना जहां पर ज्वाइंट होते हैं दैट इज नोन एज द कॉन्डिलॉइड ज्वाइंट. और उसका मूवमेंट ऐसा है, दिस टाइप ऑफ द मूवमेंट. ये जो मूवमेंट है ना हम ऐसे घुमाते हैं ऐसे, दैट इज द मूवमेंट ऑफ द कॉन्डिलॉइड ज्वाइंट. ओके, सो बिटवीन रेडियो अल्ना एंड फर्स्ट row of carpal, it is the condyloid type of the joints. So in the synovial joints there are 6 different types of the joint: hinge joint, ball and socket type of the joint, pivotal joint, gliding joint, saddle joints, and the condyloid joints. And this is the structure of the synovial joints. Actually, this synovial joint, synovial fluid possess the glycosaminoglycan, and it help in the lubrication during the movement of the joints. Okay, so this is all about the टाइप्स ऑफ जॉइंट, फाइब्रस, कार्टिलेज एंड दी साइनोवियल जॉइंट्स. अगर बेटा आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आ रहा है तो प्लीज़ आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल बटन को प्रेस करना मत भूलिए. थैंक यू. हैव अ गुड डे.